So I'm going to do a quick outfit of the day for you guys. It's not fully finished, clearly, because I'm still wearing no makeup and my hair's wet. But no, I'm just going to show you what I'm going to wear out tonight for dinner. So first, starting off, I have on this black cardigan, which I got from Target, and I love Target's cardigans. One, because they don't shrink in the dryer when you dry them. And two, because I feel like they're just very, very sturdy and they last forever. So then I paired it up just with this t-shirt that has a picture of the Eiffel Tower on it, and I love the colors and how there's like greens, blues, and then blacks. And I pulled the black of the Eiffel Tower in with my cardigan. Then with my cardigan. Then I have just a white cami on underneath. Then my jeans, I can't remember where they're from, but yeah. And then before I leave, I'm going to take off my socks and just put on my black moccasins that I also got from Target. But my feet are cold right now and I don't feel like wearing shoes around the house, so I have on socks. So that's pretty much what I'm going to wear. I'm probably going to put on my my cancer necklace, and then I have my same bracelet on that always, just my Jesus one, and then my breast cancer one. So yeah, that is pretty much what I'm going to be wearing today. It is 3:15. Dennis gets off work in about 15 minutes. He's going to go to the gym. I'm going to finish getting ready, hang out with my brother for a little bit when he gets home. And yeah, then we're going to Mongolian barbecue. Woo woo! I love Mongolian barbecue. It's like the best restaurant ever. I know there's like restaurants like this all over. It's where you pick your food, you pick out your choice of meat, then you pick out your choice of vegetables, then you actually make your own sauces, and you go up to this huge grill and they cook it for you, and it's delicious. Then brother. Coco, where's Chris? Coco, where's Chris? Oh, I swear to God, I'm filming you. I'm filming you. You're so weird. Coco, go! Coco, go! Brother, where are you going? I'm still filming you. I can. People are gonna think we're so weird. Coco's still outside. Coco's probably like, what the hell? Hi, brother. It's outside again. Hi, Riley. Hi, the good boy. You're so pretty. Look at your little tail. Riley, are they nice to you? Riley, come on. Come here. Riley, come on. Why do you always sit over there? Oh, there we go. Good boy. Good boy. Uh-oh. Come on, Riley. Is it because it's sunny over there? Is that why you like it? Because it's the sunny? It's the sunny? Coco. Hi, brother. Just curious, what are you doing?
Getting my suntan.
Getting your suntan on. Riley wants to play. This is how me and my brother keep each other amused. He's ready to play. Oh, good boy. Everyone, this is Chris. Say hi, Chris. Don't do that. I'm embarrassed for you. What is that? Oh, so windy. Look at Coco. She's like, can I play too? Coco's so possessive over my brother. He wants the water bottle. That is so funny. Give it to him again. I want to see him grab it with his paws. Brandy! Oh, the rest. Coco.
Hey, bud. Hey, bud. Hi. I like your necklace.
Oh my goodness. Wouldn't you feel horrible if Riley just went off and bit her? Aww, they love each other so much I can't even handle it.
Coco goes for the older men.
No, actually, Coco goes for the younger men.
Oh yeah.
Brother, you look very smart up there. Do the Dougie. Oh, don't! Oh! You have nice hair.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
It's kind of weird.
Hi. My brother and I are so cool that we leave cute notes on the door for my mom. Have you guys ever seen the Family Guy episode where Stewie's going, Mom, Mom, Mommy? That's what we wanted to do. Isn't that funny? I wonder what she's gonna...
Hilarious!
That's gonna be so...
Mother! My great mommy!
That's gonna be so loud.
Mama! Ma! Neighbor! My mother!